device to
shoot concept or shoot and then assess?
The only thing they did with the tech with that.
It won't let you fire
until the AI's got a lock on,
and then it will just release.
What about training? Like, what about, because obviously you guys are doing this exercise. You have, what size group is this? Like a squad or a light group? Right. And they just load up all these things on trucks and move them. Yeah.
Each truck has a different piece of equipment. Basically, it's all powered by Where's the
So if you only have these
so they're coordinated with the sensoring system. Like this strike group, this vehicle, how many? How's it perform? Is it 100% success rate?
I hit an objective
but then you got to worry about your, how well you can. What's that?
The FPV drones have it very fast. So that's
Figure out a way how to. We give you guys a thank you for being here today, and thank you. See you, man. I got one for you too.
Would you like to come inside?
I do.
Let's
see it.
We have the actual system all set up, ready to go.
Thank you.
Letting Lightning 6 here know what's going on, and that we can get guys on the ground with Wingman or Pitbull.
technology like this, and I wouldn't say it's necessarily even this itself, but it's technology like this, right? So this is just
and lead it. So when you press a certain button, it turns it on to that specific mode.
Is it a different kind of load? Is it a dispersed load?
To a pencil, yeah, absolutely. Obviously, anything that would stop us.
Yeah, you don't want to give up a 50 pound. That's the problem.
Like all things involved.
Obviously, you have to think about the drone for 50.
Because of our fixed
There's a couple of seconds. That's what we're doing on 3.0, and which is really exciting. If they're going to start putting red team fully tagged,
position or something like that. So right now, getting a detection on our lap.
Working on countering unmanned systems. It is just that I initially came to a lot of countries like Poland and Estonia and Latvia, and I'm going to Lithuania at the end of August to demonstrate that commitment to the NATO Alliance and to their own individual security, and therefore strengthening the collective security of NATO, ultimately is rewarded. And so, one of the things I can do as U.S. ambassador to NATO is spend my time in places that are doing, what we want and what we hope all of our allies are doing. So, I'm excited to be here. I'm excited to spend time with our troops. I'm grateful to General Donahue and his entire staff and all the soldiers under his command, because, again, they're the best of the best, and I'm just proud to be with them today. So thank you all. Appreciate it.
Interoperate with the US and to provide them with sort of a lighter support function. As you can see, our Jackal vehicles are considerably smaller than the Strikers. So
Queria te dizer a